Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to delete a product by using GraphQL API query. So we have a product delete mutation function which requires write product access scope. Also, the user must have permission to delete the product. So permanently delete a product, it will also delete the associated data of the product like including variants, media and publication and inventory items. So when you delete a product, it will delete the product variants, media, publication and inventory item as well. So use the product delete mutation to programmatically remove product from your store when they need to be permanently deleted from your catalog, such as removing discontinued item, cleaning up test data, or synchronization with inventory management system. So product delete function mutation remove the product from all the associated collection and remove all the associated data from the product, including all the product variant, media, product option, product publication, and product tags and meta associations. So product delete mutation also has the following effect of the existing orders. So if we have a draft order and existing draft order that refers this product will remain the product information as stored data, but the product reference will be removed. Also, if we have completed order and refund, previously completed order that include this product aren't affected. The product information is completed, order is preserved for record keeping, and existing refund for this product remain valid and processable. Also keep in mind product deletion is irreversible. After a product is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Consider archiving or unpublished product instead if you might need to restore them later. So if you need the product in future, don't delete them. You can make them archive or you can uh, unpublish them from the online store or from all the sale channels. So let's try this function. So let's open our test store. So this is our test store where we do all the testing. So I will go to my test store, and then once it is opened, I will generate the access token, and we need the write products permission. Okay, our store is open, and if I go to the settings and go to the app and sale channels, 12 apps, and let's create a new app. We need to delete the previous one, so I will uninstall this app and go to the setting and delete this app first, and now I can create a new one. So YouTube, or we can say product delete, and create the app. And now we will configure the admin API scope. I will find products, and we need read and write permission for the products. I will click save, and then I will go to the API credentials and install this app. And now we will have the access token. Let's reveal that and copy this token and save it somewhere. So I saved that token. Now I will close this and go to the products, and let's try to remove this eco-friendly product. if you click this product, and you will be able to get the product ID from here. So let me open the Postman first. So in the Postman, I will make a new request, and let me close the previous one. So if I go to the documentation and go to the authentication and then copy this URL and paste that over here. So we need to replace the shop name with our store name. So I'll copy this and replace the shop with this one. So we will make the post request, and now we need to add the Shopify access token, Shopify access token, which we have copied, and paste that over here. And in the body, we will add the GraphQL product delete mutation query. So let's go back in the product delete mutation query. Let's copy this and paste that over here. Now we need to replace this. We need to select the GraphQL query, and then we will paste that again. And we need to replace the ID of the product, which we can grab that from here. Copy this and paste that over here. Now send the request, and the product deleted successfully. And if you reload this product, you will not see this product anymore. There is no page on this address, and if I go to the product, you can see we don't have that product anymore. So if you would like to delete all the products from your store, how you can do that? I will open Visual Studio Code, and I will create a new file, delete all products.js, and let me copy and paste the code. What it will do, it will let me save this first, and now you can see we have SEOs, and then we have shop. We will replace that with our shop name. So let's copy the shop name, and then we will add the access token. Let me grab that from here, copy this and paste that over here. Normally we don't use the access token in the code. We add them into over here in the .env file. Let me add that over here. So I change the code and I grab this variable from .env, and now if I run this product, if I run this code, and let's see how we delete all the products. So first we will get all the products, then delete them one by one. So let me run this code. Node delete products, and we found 20 products to delete, and these products are being deleted. As you can see, we deleted this product, and total 20 products. If I go back over here in the store, right now if I select them, you can see we have 20 products. And if I reload the page, now you can see we have only 4 products remaining, and all the products are deleted successfully. And if I reload this page again, you can see I don't have any product anymore. So if you delete product in bulk, you can delete them by using Nodejs with the code. And if you delete only one, you can use the Postman. But normally, once we have a lot of products, we normally delete them by writing the code. So I hope this video makes sense to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.